Welcome to my channel, Boating with Drifter. I'm Captain Ian. Anyway, today I'm going to show you some of the products that I use for cleaning my boat up. Getting it ready for the spring to be put back in the water. I got some products for the deck to clean that, products for the hull, and some wax. And I'm going to go over and show you all that stuff. So stay tuned. Okay, well there's a lot of background noise, street noise, and people in the parking lot, so hopefully we won't get interrupted too much. People coming in out of the gate. I'm just in a bad spot with the marina here. But anyway, I want to show you some products that I use. I'm going to try to go quick because of the noise. But anyway, I use this to clean the boat pretty much in the spring. This is a very aggressive cleaner. I don't maintain the boat all year with this. After this, I start washing it with this the boat wash. So I start using something a little more mild, boat wash. This is a neat little thing. This is a sprayer I picked up at Harbor Freight. And I'm not sponsored by any of these products, so I'm just telling you what I do and what I have. But I get this Harbor Freight. It comes with a nozzle that clips on and off of this. And there's a truck noise there. And this shoots out a foam from the soap. And I suds it over and I go over it with my brush and clean the boat off that way. It works real good. We're going to pause for a second. Alright, sorry about the noise again. It's a busy place. But anyway, I like getting all the old wax off. Let me go over this first. You get all the old wax off, and I like wiping it off with a terry cloth with acetone. I wipe the surface off with that. That helps get some of the old wax off and starts prepping the surface of the boat for cleaning. Another product I like using is Starbright, and this is Black Streak Remover. It's a good product. Gets all the black streaks off the hull of the boat. We're near some steel plants here. I got some black specks. A lot of that on the boat. I think it's fallout from the steel plants. I'm not sure about that, but I assume that's where it's coming from. A little bit of soot. This is good. We get a little bit of that sooty rain, and it leaves a lot of streaks on your boat. And I'm sure if you live in this area, you notice that black streaks on the boat and on the fiberglass and stuff, the runoffs from the canvas. Well, this will take it off. This black streak remover. Always have a bottle of this. I keep this. This is the stuff I keep on the boat, by the way. This is just what's on the boat. You got the vinyl glass. Get vinyl cleaner. Clean your vinyl glass with vinyl cleaner and polisher. Don't use regular Windex on them. There's a rumor out there, you know, you can use furniture polish on them. You put the wrong stuff on there, the sun will burn the glass. This has some UV protection. You want that. It's got some anti-fog properties in it. So you want the UV protection, anti-fog. Get the vinyl glass cleaner. That's what you want to use on your vinyl glass. Don't use anything else. Don't let anybody else tell you anything different. Use what's that product's made for. Now for regular glass, the regular windshield glass and stuff, it's okay. I like using a little Rain-X, just because that's just regular glass. And that gets the water rolling off. If you ever get caught in the rain and you're out boating in the rain, it helps the water roll off. It's easy to clean. I like the aerosol. Probably bad for the environment, but I like the aerosol. These are just the products I keep on the boat. This is just what I have in the locker, with the exception of the acetone. So, and this is the stuff. A lot of the stuff I use getting ready for the spring. Now when I'm getting ready to wax the boat, okay, now I only really wax the boat real good, the hull, you know, in the springtime before I go in the water. But anyway, I keep this in my garage. This is a storage tub. So when I'm ready to go wax the boat, I pull this out of the garage, put it in the truck, I'm good to go. I keep safety glasses in here, dust mask, extension cord, more acetone. I got a buffer pad that I use. I keep this in there too. So this is just for waxing. Extra buffer pads. Rubbing compound. This is heavy duty rubbing compound. I only use heavy duty rubbing compound if I'm like filling a gouge, a scratch in the glass. I don't use this on the boat on a yearly deal. I don't even rub out my boat yearly. I rub it out if I'm getting a lot of blemishes and things like that on it. But I personally feel like rubbing the boat out every year, you're actually taking a layer of that glass in and in, and you're wearing out the gel coat on the boat. So I rub out the boat as needed. I don't rub it out yearly. Right this year, my boat's pretty shiny. I didn't even wax it yet. I don't need it. You know, I'm just gonna wax it again this year. But these are just some of the things. This is what I like to use for wax. Like I said, I'm not sponsored by any of these products, but this is Meguiar's flagship marine wax. I use marine wax on the boat. This is great stuff. It lasts. This is premium marine wax. Let me see what else I have in here. A little polish. Sometimes I rub it out with a terry cloth, a little bit of polish. This is Meguiar's. I like Meguiar's. Let me see here. A lot of this stuff is junk, or for, you know, here's my mask I keep, because you don't want to breathe in that wax. You don't want that in your lungs, trust me. I've got sensitive bronchioles, and it messes me up. You know, sometimes a little gel coat repair helps. If you get any cracks in your gel coat and stuff, now's the time to patch up the gel coat. A little pinhole can introduce water into the glass of the boat. The gel coat protects the glass. So that acts like a sponge. You can rot your boat from within, you know, if you got a bad spot on the gel coat. And it's really about it. When I do rub the boat out, if I decide maybe next year maybe I'll be wanting to rub the boat out, I usually use a mild rubbing compound, a very fine grit. I don't go a heavy grit. And like I said, I use the heavy grit if I got a bad scratch I want to rub out, or you know, I've done like a little fiberglass repair or something I had to need to do, you know, get those hairline scratches. I'll grind them out, fill them in, you know, and then I'll rub it out with some heavy compound, then some fine compound, and then I wax it, you know, and you know, polish it up, and then it's good. So anyway, there you have it. Like I said, this is a good idea. I recommend this to everybody. This makes me not forget anything, but you know, put yourself a box together for your springtime. Then you pull this out and you got stuff in there. I got more stuff in there than I need. Some of it's for patching some of the glass, but it does come in handy. When I'm ready to do the boat, I just grab this out of the garage and I come on down. So, all right, thanks. That's about all I got to say. Show you a few clips in prepping the boat, and that's about it. Thank you for watching.